How to draw a vertical line between the left clip and the right clip inside Davinci Resolve. I'm here on the Edit tab. I will draw the line here, and this is not as simple as in Microsoft Paint where you just click on a tool and draw the line. This is a bit more complicated. You have to go here to the Effects, Generators, and drag, let's say, the solid color on top of your clips, let's say there. And now it's not a line, it's covering the entire video. Now let's modify it by going here to the inspector, and on the video tab we have generator and settings. On generator you can modify the color. Click on that one and modify it as you wish. Let's use black and click OK, and go to the settings page, and here at cropping you can open and close those. We should crop the left side, drag that one and move it, let's say somewhere there, and drag the right and move it somewhere there. Now to do fine adjustments to make that line a little bit thinner, we should double click the numbers, not just single click, because now if you press the up and down arrows, the playhead will move to the left and to the right as it's visible here. So click on the solid color and double click, let's say, on the crop rights number, plus place the cursor there to that 3, to the last number, and now you can press the up and down arrows. Up arrow is making this line thinner. If you continue pressing the up arrow, it is pushing it to the other side, that is making it thicker. So back with the down arrow, I'm holding on the down arrow, and somewhere there it's okay. So that's how to draw a vertical line made up of a single color inside Davinci Resolve. If you want to draw a line which changes its color, then you should use, let's say, that 4 color gradient or anything else from here. Drag, let's say, that one, drop it on top of the video, somewhere there, click on that gradient. The same thing at the generator, you modify the colors, modify those center X and center Y. And at settings, at cropping, you just make it smaller. And you can use the position also to reposition it. Or reset that crop left and crop right and crop the top and bottom if you want different colors. And then rotate it and zoom it out. So that's how to draw a line which changes its color. Okay, I don't need this one, so backspace, and I will use only that one.